Alright, this is my fireworks stash. Right here I just have some little party popper TNT things. Then I got some TNT little confetti things. Then I got some Magnum Roman candles, 10-shot long rifle. Then I got some poppets, some Red Devil firecrackers. Then I got these bumblebees. These little bumblebees. They're really nice. Then I got some little rockets. And then right here you got a colorful dream. Then you got Irish Delight. I got a garden in spring. I got a greeting color. I got a little missile thing. I got some parachuters. I got some Magnet smoke. And this is all of them. Right there. And right there. Have a whole bunch. Lit off a whole bunch this morning. You'll see the video on YouTube. They're really nice.
Could we be in one part?